E-Ha-Rah, E-Ha-Rah, E-Ha-Rah. In the silence before the word E-Ha-Rah, a truth is felt and never heard. E-Ha-Rah, a gentle pull, a patient grace. E-Ha-Rah, the turning of the inner space. E-Ha-Rah, not a force but a embrace. E-Ha-Rah, the womb of time, the mother's faith. E-Ha-Rah, E-Ha-Rah, deep and slow, what the heart has always known. E-Ha-Rah, watch it grow from the seed that you have sown. E-Ha-Rah, E-Ha-Rah, feel the thread from soul to soul. E-Ha-Rah, a silver line that makes us whole. E-Ha-Rah, not above but side by side. E-Ha-Rah, in this sacred turning tide. E-Ha-Rah, the chalice holds, the web connects. E-Ha-Rah, healing ancient deep reject. E-Ha-Rah, weave around, weave the light. In the darkness, hold us tight. E-Ha-Rah, burning bright, turning darkness into self. E-Ha-Rah, the chalice deep, the blade of light, the dreaming womb, the will so bright. Together dance a sacred flame. I and thou are now the same. I am the womb, I am the blade, I am the choice that I have made, to stand in love, to hold the space, and see your light in every face. E-Ha-Rah, I remember. E-Ha-Rah, breathe in the unified field.